the interaction of the local people here?
Oh,
Especially
people are very friendly.
friendly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everyone stops and says, "Are you okay? You want a ride?"
Ah.
But no, I just want to walk.
Good. What's your name?
Thomas.
Thomas.
Yeah.
Which country you are from?
Denmark.
Denmark.
Yeah.
Today, Chicago?
Yesterday I started in Skadu,
Yeah.
and then I slept on the way up, and now I'm here.
Now you are trekking.
Yeah. I'm going to Astore.
Going to a store.
Yeah.
Not using any vehicle or something. No.
No, just
Yes.
Yeah.
Just trekking.
Yeah.
And how do you feel? Have you ever visited such type of plateau?
Like what? Deosai.
Like Deosai, the highest plateau
Oh,
in the world.
yeah. No,
Have you ever visited any other country?
Yeah.
Like the place here, the same, the place like Deosai. You have experience?
I've been to
Past
Tibet
experience.
Plateau.
Tibet.
Yeah.
Same like
Same like
Deosai.
And also I've been to Nubra Valley in India.
India.
Just across the Kargil.
Oh. You also cross that plateau through
No, it's
trekking?
on bicycle.
On bicycle.
On bicycle, yeah.
This is the first plateau.
First is high elevation. Yeah.
And you are trekking.
And trekking.
How do you feel while trekking? What's your message to the other foreigners for the trekking, especially in Deosai?
Why not go? Yeah.
Yeah, is it easy?
I can feel the elevation, but
Yeah.
of course it's a little bit harder to breathe, but it's okay.
Yeah, you are the brave man,
Yeah.
because it's not a easy task to climb upward, especially.
Yeah.
Because here the elevation is around about 13,000 and about.
Yeah, 4,000 meters.
Yeah, 4,000 meters.
Yeah.
And how do you feel the interaction of the local people here?
Oh, people are very friendly.
Friendly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everyone stops and says, "Are you okay? You want a ride?"
Ah.
But no, I just want to walk.
What is your message for others, especially for them?
Go and see it yourself.
Explore the world,
yeah.
Especially explore the Deosai.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Can I have